felt so blessed to have discovered so many amazing, inspiring, effervescent personalities in the recent months. I started my path to riches as an experiment. I am manifesting into my life $5,515,836. I'm an author, a teacher, a YouTuber, an influencer, a speaker, a mother, and a citizen of this fine earth. So I have a list of 24 Law of Attraction YouTube channels that I have been watching and studying and listening to in my car and really taking in. Okay, so here they are. And I thought if they can help me this much, maybe they can help you as well. Or they definitely can help you as well. Okay, again, they are in no particular order, but these are the ones that I'm subscribed to and I love listening to and watching. Okay, here we go. So Manifest Yourself. This is a larger channel. Their content is golden. There are videos with talks by Dr. Joe Dispenza, how to meditate, how to raise your vibration. The videos range in content from beginner law of attraction to master manifestor material. There's great visuals and awesome playlists as well. So see the link below to get to that channel. Next, I have here Karen and Jeffrey Pearl. They're a beautiful and passionate couple who are so inspiring. I think they are my favorite couple. They exude love for each other and their family. They eat a plant-based diet and they share the benefits of this lifestyle, which is amazing. Their videos are short and sweet, but they have big jewels of wisdom in each and every single one of them. I love when they talk about communication, being in the now, and the important topic of gratitude as well. And they also are really nice supporters of my channel, so thank you. Guys, for their channel, there's also a link below. Please click on that. The next one I wanted to mention is Nick Mastropiero. What an amazing, insightful young man. He has a future in speaking, definitely, and influencing others to think in this certain way, if you know what I mean. He teaches manifestation methods. He offers reminders of some of the mistakes that we make while manifesting. And he also finishes all of his videos by saying, manifest powerfully. A reminder of how powerful we really are. And I love that. We all need that reminder sometimes. So check out that link below to get to his channel. The next one is Frank Fulminante. So many awesome topics related to universal laws, self-love, self-care, and how to block negativity. He loves making videos, and you can tell he has a passion. He has so much purpose and passion that emanates from every single word he says. So I highly recommend his channel. Again, it's small and new, but he's going places. So check out the link below. And I have time-stamped all of these as well. Okay, Howell Consultations is the next one. A wonderful channel that contains a lot of lists for one's betterment. The author quotes the likes of Eckhart Tolle, Napoleon Hill, Neville Goddard. He uses cartoon videos that are easy to watch, like very aesthetically pleasing. They command your attention, okay? So I love the life lessons. They are quick and easy to follow, and positive change after watching them is inevitable. So check out the link for his channel as well. The next one is Shelly Bullard, a beautiful soul who talks a lot about manifesting your special or specific person. She speaks from the heart, and her voice makes me feel like we've known each other for years or forever. She offers courses and material, although I've never felt like I've been guided towards a sale page. So it doesn't feel like she's just trying to get me to buy something else. She shares her tips and tricks and methods very freely, and I love that. Okay, so here's the link to her channel there. Personal Mastery Quest is the next one. So what a wealth of authentic knowledge. The star of these videos is an avid reader and studier of the law of attraction, particularly on topics pertaining to reality transurfing and living in the end. He also offers some really great courses if you want to go deeper and deeper into these topics and really start manifesting. So check out his link below to his channel and to his courses. The next is Mary Kate. What a calming presence with a massive collection of knowledge. She's a manifestation expert, and you can tell in the conviction with which she speaks. She discusses powerful, concrete ways to manifest money, love, and so many other blessings. I highly recommend her channel. Check out the link below. Next is Joshua Tongol. He keeps it cool and personal. I feel like him and I are sitting at a coffee shop while he teaches me the ways of the Force. He gives me great examples and stories that demonstrate his point in a way that I can actually use. His video on the law of liberty actually changed the way I see the world, which is really amazing. So please check out his link below as well. The next one is called Daily Motivation. These videos are beautiful and elegant and inspiring, and they tell us everything that we need to hear and know, like right when we need it, in divine timing. It's always perfect timing. The topics include motivation to persevere, daring to be different. There's epiphany videos that create epiphany, cause you to have an epiphany, and videos that change the way that you think and see the world. The channel uses insights from many different big thinkers, so check it out. It's a very, very good source of knowledge and wealth of knowledge. The next one is Master Sri Akarshana. This man is your friend from next door, mixed with a monk and a millionaire. He's fun, easygoing, and honest, although his insight is always priceless. His featured segments include the Lambo Yoga Challenge, and which I haven't tried yet. Also, he's amazing on TikTok, and he does speaking events and contests. He does short spoken word rant videos and really cool guided meditation, so check him out. The next one is Jake Ducey. Many of you have probably heard of him. I discovered this lovely man shortly after I found Doughty. He talks about Neville Goddard and living in the end. He discusses the idea that feeling is the secret and other universal laws. I like his success story too, how he uses his own techniques. He offers a free guided meditation called The Second Mind. It's really amazing in its ability to help you to restructure your subconscious and help you to think differently and create the life of your dreams. Check out his link below. A Helpful Earth. This young man is an inspiration. He's still relatively small in numbers of subscribers, but it doesn't matter, and that won't stop him because his channel is relatively new. He will grow quickly. His videos are great. They're good quality, easy to watch from the beginning to the end, and his insight is deep. And I do always learn a lot from him, so please check out his link below as well. Mr. Inspirational. This channel has a lot of really deep law of attraction material and insights. The author-owner uses his voice to discuss such ideas as Neville Goddard, as living in the end, and feeling is the secret. He dives deeper and deeper into his explanations. He discusses how to use sleep and the drowsy, sleepy state to your advantage. His channel is also somewhat small, but again, very new, and it will pick up steam. I have full faith in it. Please check out his link below. The next one is the Gem Goddess. This woman is a goddess in every way. She's beautiful and so bright too. A mix of her long eyelashes, her long hair, and her nails mesmerize one. Combined with her sweet disposition, she shares a deep understanding. She shares her deep understanding of the law of attraction, along with her knowing of crystals, tarot readings, and other spiritual subjects. A definite recommendation. Check it out. If you're new to the law of attraction or a veteran, check her out. You won't regret it. The next one is Universal Crystals. This young man is ahead of his age and ahead of his time. I don't know his name, but I messaged him to ask him. He prefers to still go by Universal Crystals. He's aware of things in life that many will never be aware of. He has a clear calling to help others who are experiencing the same kind of spiritual awakening. He discusses law of attraction, living in the end, reprogramming the subconscious. He uses crystals, and he even delves into the idea of the need to share, of the need that one feels to share one's enlightenment experience, and how this is similar for most of us. Please check out his link below. He's really amazing. Doughty. This man is one of the originals. He's the first law of attraction YouTuber that I ever watched. His style is so magnetic and effervescent. He shows us just how programmed we have been from a young age to have certain core beliefs. We can change these beliefs, and he shows us powerful ways to do this. He also shows us how he has changed over the years since he started making these videos to now, how different things have been for him. He used to be a shoe salesman, and he sold shoes to women, and he wasn't happy doing it, and he made everything change just by using the laws the law of attraction in particular. Please see his link below. Trice Pruitt, another beautiful soul. She always greets everyone by saying, "Hello, Earthlings," and I love that. She's so cute. She's always supportive towards me and my channel, and she has a kindness that is unmatched. Her videos are interesting and insightful in a way that is easy to apply to one's life. She always replies to all of my comments, and I look forward to her videos as well. My favorite of her videos is one about manifesting money and beauty. She is working... See, it's working for me. Okay, all jokes aside, I do use a lot of her methods, and please see her link below. MaGustavo. I don't know if I'm saying your name right, but this man brings enthusiasm and so much love to the camera. He is well-read, and he knows how to apply all the laws of attraction concepts to his life effectively. He is like a university professor, brimming to the rim with details that he has to share. He's also very personable and real, which is refreshing. He offers a free guided meditation to listen to and to help you manifest your desires as well. Check out his link below. Another one that I have to mention is Infinite Waters. What can I say about Ralph Smart? Go watch one of his videos and you'll see what I mean. I just learned about this channel and I feel so happy to have it now. I downloaded a bunch of his videos to listen to on my way to work. Some of them are a little bit longer than other videos, so they're perfect for downloading and listening to in the car. They're so encouraging, and they help me see the errors in my thinking that have been sabotaging myself. I love his charisma and his, ooh, baby, breathing in that fine prana. Okay, I can't do it, but he's amazing. He's actually, like, I love it. I love it. He's addictive, and I love that his mother is his mentor, because my mother is my mentor too. So go check out his channel below. Another one, Michael Dennis, again, a slightly newer, smaller channel, but amazing content. He discusses motivation, finding your passion, how to be present, and how to be self-aware. He's very clear and insightful, and he may appeal to the younger audience, although his information and presentation resonates with me at 40 years old as well. See his link below. Another one I absolutely love that is very popular but absolutely worth mentioning is You Are Creators. What a great channel. There's a variety of content types here. The host does videos called Down the Rabbit Hole. He has a great voice for videos, but it's fun to see his live videos too. He shares law of attraction insight, relationship advice, business and money, and other topics too. See his link below. You will love it. A couple more, guys. Okay, we have Erika K. The woman is a beautiful earth angel. Her voice hypnotizes you while she builds you up to feel loved, wanted, and perfect. She reminds us that we are exactly where we need to. She reminds us that we are exactly where we need to be and doing exactly what we need to be doing. Everything we need is right inside us. She offers one-to-one coaching. So I'm actually considering that because she can do it online. And right now we really do have a lot of time at home, but we always have the internet, so we can stay connected. Please see her link below. Leeor Alexandra. So I discovered Leeor when I saw a video with Aaron Doughty during their conscious uncoupling. So I didn't know they were together, but in this video I found out they were separating. So it made me sad to see them breaking up, and I didn't even know they were together in the first place. But I think that was part of the plan, was for them to meet, to be together, and then go their separate ways, but remain friends. So, it's all part of the plan. She's elegant, she's intelligent, but so much more. She's graceful in how she communicates delicate subject matter in a way that seems much less difficult or threatening. I love the pendants and necklaces that she sells as well. They're so beautiful. So she discusses many topics, including 17-second rule, how to love yourself, self-care, and other related topics. So check her out as well. And she also does some live YouTube videos. So see the link below for her. And that's the last one that I have on my list. I also heard of this really, really amazing YouTuber named The Lori Show. I really think you should check her out. She actually wrote her own book, which is more mainstream and related to how to be happy. So that's coming out soon, but check out her link below too. Okay, she would much appreciate that. Without further ado, I promised I would introduce you guys to the positivity princess. So, dun dun dun. Hello. Should the positivity princess have an accent? I don't. Maybe not that one. That doesn't really work. But I just wanted to introduce myself. I'm the Princess of Positivity, and I've got my new crown here. As you can see, I've been crowned recently, and so that makes me royalty. And what that means is if I say that you should be positive, and if I'm suggesting ways to be positive, you really should be doing the things I say. Otherwise, you're kind of, what is that, like treason or something if you're not being positive when I tell you to. Either way. Okay, guys, it's still me. It's still Lori. Don't want to freak you all out. So please be positive. Have a great day. Click the like button. Let me know which of these YouTubers you really like. If I've missed any smaller YouTubers or anybody that I've maybe seen 1 or 2 videos of, I'm going to, this is part 1. I'm going to add to this because I did put a lot of the big ones here that I've been watching for a longer time, but I do see popping up on my feed, you know, video suggestions of really, really good content, you know, about law of attraction. So there's a lot of people out there that know what they're talking about, and they're using law of attraction in their daily life and all the time. And maybe becoming a famous YouTuber is not one of their MOs, but at the same time, it's working for them. Okay, so guys, I'm gonna make a second part. I'm gonna keep on digging a little deeper and finding some of the smaller ones or one of the more obscure ones and letting you guys know all about them. Okay, thank you so much for watching. Subscribe so you don't miss that. Okay, guys, have a great day and be positive. Hi, I just wanted to add one more small YouTuber. I don't want to say small YouTuber, new YouTuber. Her name is Markie Gramling. She's really great, and I just felt that I couldn't publish this unless I mentioned her. She did a really positive video earlier today about some daily devotions for positivity and giving us hope for, you know, that everything's going to get back to normal and that everything is happening with divine purpose. I really appreciate her message, and she does some motivation stuff, some lifestyle stuff, but all in all, she's a really great influence over me and over how I do things. So I just wanted to mention her as well, and I put a link to her channel as well. Okay, look down there. Okay, thanks. I love you guys.